how to get more viewers on your Whatnot live stream. Hey everybody, if you guys would like to get more viewers on your live stream on Whatnot, you may just follow up the steps. So first of all, head over to your Whatnot application and you can head over to your account option once you are logged in. And the thing is, you need to have your profile completed. Ensure that your profile picture, bio, and overall profile are engaging and reflects your brand. You can look out for view profile option, and then you can just head over and edit your profile and give in everything that a buyer needs to see when they scroll through your profile. Another thing is focus on creating engaging and entertaining streams that resonate with your target audience, whether it is showcasing your collections, hosting live actions, auctions, or sharing your expertise. And then, whenever you're going through your life, for example, if you have started your life like this, need to have your personality shine through and aim to be genuine, which can help attract your ideal audience. You can just go ahead and do so. You can even use show boost stuff for a quick surge of visibility during a specific product launch or highlight. You can look out for the pro version available for your uh, whatnot if possible. You can use show promotion to gain consistent visibility over a longer period and introduce yourself to new viewers, special items. Be unique, be active in the community and whatnot application and participate in other sellers' streams, engage with the chat, support other sellers to build your presence, and